Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to start a fantasy league on Sleeper. Let's dive in. 1. Log in to Sleeper. Open the Sleeper app and log in using your credentials. 2. Create a league. On the main page, select your preferred sport and click Play Now. Tap the Create League button. Enter your league's name and click Next. 3. Choose your league type. Select between Redraft, Keeper, or Dynasty. For this example, I'll choose Redraft and click Next. 4. Set the league size. Specify the number of teams, e.g. 12, and click Next. 5. Pick a draft type. Options include Snake Draft, moderate duration, Linear Draft, moderate duration, Auction Draft, longer duration. I recommend the Snake Draft, but choose what works for your league, then click Done. 6. Invite friends to your league. On the league page, tap plus Invite Friends. Allow the app to access your contacts or copy the invite code to share with your friends. When your friends use the code, they can easily join your league. 7. Adjust league settings. Access league settings at the bottom of the page to customize. League name, type, and profile icon. Team lineup settings, draft order, and other preferences. Once done, click Save. Congratulations! Your fantasy league on Sleeper is now set up and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fantasy league.